Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making face masks. To complete this craft, you will need a bandana and some hair ties. Here's what you'll do. First, lay the bandana out. Next, fold the top and bottom to the middle. Repeat this step, folding the top and bottom to the middle again. Then put a hair tie on each side a few inches in towards the middle of the bandana. Finally, fold the ends of the bandana in to meet the middle. You want the ends to overlap slightly so you can tuck one end into the other. This will keep the ends secure. Ta-da! Here's the finished face mask. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!